Hello? Hello, this is my first video. I mean, I have any other videos in my channel, but I just private it. So, I guess when I was 17, I just make those videos and I just private it. And I guess this will be my first video now that I'm 18. And, uh, so, hello, I'm 18, going to college. How's life been going? Life is good. It's good. Yay. Uh how how our college, I mean, this will be my first day of college. So I don't know. So yay. Oh wait. How's life? I mean, right now that I'm 18, I've seen some of my classmates uh that did not go to college because they said college was a scam, because I have heard some things that college doesn't guarantee you a job. I mean, I don't know, but I just go to college anyways because I haven't really figured out what I'm gonna do with my life. I mean, I'm 18. I haven't had any experience in the world. Oh god. Like, I don't know how to get a job. I mean, I know it's just that I will be busy on college because of schedules and I won't have any time on that, and it is kind of hard to find a job that was suitable for me as a part-timer, I guess. You guys get me for fellow 18 years old? Like, it is really hard to find a job that is near you while also going to college. I mean, if I can find one, I will grab it immediately. And I haven't experienced how to get a job. So I will gonna work it out. So how was life going? Yeah, I will gonna go to accountancy. So yeah. Right now, I already know what I will be in the next 4 years. I will gonna be a gra, I will gonna be a graduate on accountancy. I wish, but I think I can do it. How was my school life before going to college? How was my life? I mean, before, to be honest, it still applies to these days. I mean, I really have nothing going on. Uh, I'm the daughter, the oldest child in my family, and I have a little brother. Syempre, of course, a mother and a father. And what have I been doing before college? I mean, I clean up the house, I cook, I wash clothes. That typical stuff. I go to school. So yeah, on school, how was school? Oh my, it's good. I have high academic stuff. I'm high, like I'm with honor. Ever since I was a child, I was with honor. But Yeah, that's all that's been going on about me. Grades. So, how was school? I mean, s- I have grades. I mean, social life on school. I guess I don't really have one. Yeah, I don't have one, which is s- yeah. I mean, I am the type that likes. I don't know. I just get drained when I were around many people. Like even in school, whenever there were many people talking, I just get tired. You guys get me? So yeah, whenever there was a break time, I will just go outside the room, like pretending to go to the bathroom, but in truth, I was just gonna hang out outside the room. And my teacher let me, my teacher trust me. And whenever there were break time, yeah, I will just gonna go walk around the school. Around. Ooh, alone. I don't want to talk about this anymore. But why am I talking this if I don't want to talk this anymore? So yeah, I just want to make a video to have an update of my life. Like for example, I want to go back to watch this first video and look at myself. Oh, also this is myself from the past, and this is who I am. And like if my future want to watch me again, and hello future self, please don't delete this video like your past videos because you get cringe about it. Don't delete it. Yeah, my first video. Hello. I mean, I know that this video will just gonna be watched. I know that this video will just gonna be watched by me and some of my family if they ever find out about this channel. And I have a shorts in this channel that I just go out and film shorts to myself. I mean, that is like really what I've been going on in my life, but right now I haven't been posting shorts or anything because my phone got full storage. But right now I don't think I will. Just gonna post shorts because it really is kind of really hard because there is editing, there is making ideas, and I really did enjoy my shorts making, to be honest. It really did give me confidence, but then I just got tired because I'm just looking at the views again and again. Like, I don't want to make videos that I will focus on my views. Like, I just want to enjoy making it. But I still look at the views. So, yeah, I just don't like doing those things. So yeah, this video is where I will talk about my life, the video form, and just commentate and learning to tell my learning from my thoughts to mouth. Yes. Wait a second. Wait, I will be back. So yeah, hello. I'm back. I just did some older responsibilities. So I'm back and I just want to update. What am I talking about it again? Oh God. Oh God, I forgot about it. So right now, right now what do I want to do in my life? I just gonna figure it out. Like I haven't really found anything that we're enjoying. I just spend my time scrolling in social media. And I don't really look at it as a hobby. I just view it as wasting time. And yeah, like I want to figure out myself. But in order to figure out myself, I need to experience many things so I know what to do with my life because I already know that I will gonna go to college in accountancy and I will graduate in the next 4 years. Like in that 4 years, I want to develop other more because I haven't had anything going on in my life. Like yeah, I just graduate to school and go to job and is that it? Like I want to learn more about myself. Learn, experience many things, but how can I learn about those things when when I don't want to know those things, when I don't want to experience those things? How do I say this? Let's say, uh, let's say I'm just not in the mood, but I just want to learn still. You guys get me? So, yeah. Oh, that's all. Bye. I think, yeah.
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 No, go away.
Oh, reset na po net.
My brother. Yeah, he got back from school. Wow. Bakit ka nakatingin sa akin ng ganyan?
It's your water tank.
No, my water. My water.
Water tank.
No, my water.
What are you doing?
Do you want
Been filming for 4 and 4